everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Oobabooga Text Generation WebUI. So if you guys don't know, Oobabooga is like an AI backend which can make you run your own local ChatGPT or even, role-playing against characters from anime or your favorite show by using AI. So let's just jump straight into it. So we're going to open our web browser, going to go to Oobabooga GitHub, just like that, and we're gonna click this Gradio Web UI. Click that. Alright, here it is, and now we're gonna go here, scroll down, and then you see the manual installation using Conda. So we're gonna follow these steps here. So first we're gonna go into step 0, which is install Conda. Just open in a new tab, and then type in Conda. Click here, or you can just straight into here, installation. Scroll down and let's go here to the regular installation. Click on Windows, click the mini Conda installer. Alright, we're gonna arrive here and click here, the mini Conda 3 Windows 64-bit. Just pick the latest version that is, well, always on top here for Windows, of course. Gonna install it to my Ooba folder, Ooba tutorial folder. Create new folder. So I think, yeah, just like that. Here I'm gonna install it there. Just click download, close that, and I'm gonna go back here. And after Conda installed, we're gonna create a new environment. So I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so Conda is already installed. If you open the folder here, and there we go, Conda has been installed. So just double click that to launch the installer. So this is gonna click next. I agree, of course. You could go with all users, but I'm just gonna go here for now. And here for the path, you could leave this at this, but I'm gonna replace this with public. It is recommended for me personally. It is recommended to install this inside the public folder. Let's click next, and of course I already have Conda installed, so I can't do that. But make sure that it is recommended that you put the public there to install into the public folder. So just click next, and I will select everything just like that and just click install. But I already installed it. I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just click cancel. After Conda is installed, you can just click delete. Next we're gonna go into the first step. So we're gonna follow this here. I'm gonna open my folder. Yeah, I'm gonna install it here. So click the path bar, then type in PWSH, and we're gonna go back to the GitHub. I'm gonna follow this first step, paste the first line. I'm gonna remove the 0.9, and I'm gonna change my environment to Ooba. See? There we go, and we're gonna activate the environment. Just copy this and then paste. Okay, that is activated. And we're gonna paste the command here. And before we paste it, make sure you have CUDA and cuDNN installed. You can follow the tutorial on the top left eye corner. After that, we're gonna install this. Control C and Control V. This will run installation of Torch, and I'll see you in a bit. And Torch has been installed. So next we're gonna install the WebUI. So just copy the first link, and actually we want to make sure you have the right path. So I'm gonna install it to that path, and then just paste that git clone, and that will clone everything. So let's just wait for a bit. That shouldn't take long, and here we go. So we're gonna cd into that folder, just paste in that line. And finally, we're gonna install the requirements, and this will take a long time too, so I'll see you in a bit after the requirements has been installed. Okay, so the requirements has been installed. Now let's say you close your terminal. Okay, let's say you close your terminal. If you close your terminal and then you open it again, now you will see that you are no longer inside the environment. So make sure to activate the environment again. If you're not sure or forget, just type in Conda NV list, and that will list every environment that you have on your computer. As you can see, the base is active because we have the star here. So we don't want that. We want to activate the Ooba like that. And now to check the path, just type in echo pwd. Obviously it is not the right path, so I'm gonna cd into the folder called TextGen. So if we echo it again, you'll see that we're now inside the text generation WebUI. Now we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna start the WebUI here. So activate the environment, cd, and then python server py. So we're gonna copy this. So just paste that, and actually we're gonna pass in some commands here. So I have my command save. We open this first. So here I have my command save. So I'm gonna copy everything here. So here are the flags. I want to use chat, API, listen, and you get the point. And here I limit my GPU memory to use only 3.2 gigs of my VRAM. I want to load this at 4-bit, and I want to run. Actually, I'm gonna remove this, and I'm enabling extensions. This is for, you know, if I have extensions installed. So I'm just gonna copy everything and go back to my terminal and just paste it there, just like so. And okay, what the port 716. Okay, so I guess I cannot pass the port here. Okay, we're gonna delete the port. Okay, so it doesn't want the file again. And oh right, I forgot to install xformers. So to install xformers, just do pip install xformers. This is highly recommended. This will reduce VRAM usage. Just type in that. So you could see the flags here. Just go into the starting WebUI page and then basic settings. And if you scroll down, you can see a lot of flags. There's already a description meaning of it. So yeah, you can try experimenting with some of this. So xformers has been installed. There we go. And oh, turns out the what is it? The command for the port has been changed. So I'm just gonna copy that, and I'm gonna change this into --session port. And it says that it has been deprecated. The chat flag. Yeah, okay. So yeah, we can just delete that. Let me remove the chat there. Here I'm just gonna skip the extensions because I'm probably don't need it right now. But I'm gonna make another tutorial on how to do all of the extensions. So I'm just gonna copy this and not include the extensions. So copy that, paste, and let me check again. API listen for no cache. Okay, so I might explain a bit. So the API, this is self-explanatory. The listen, I want this to listen to my local internet. The listen port, this is the port. I'm gonna set a custom port. You don't need this. No cache, this will reduce VRAM. Xformers, I already said that this will also reduce VRAM and increase optimizations. Auto devices, let's say your GPU VRAM is not enough, so this will offload this to CPU. So the GPU memory, I'm limit this to 3.2 gigabytes or 3200 MIBs because allocating all of the VRAM can lead into out of memory issues. So I'm gonna leave this to 3.2 because I have 4 gigabytes of VRAM. Load in 4-bit. This will load in a lower quantization. Obviously enable this. If we open like the flags, there we go, accelerate 4-bit, and I think this might give an error because I'm not sure because last time I checked it works. So and then extensions, yeah, and you can also pass more flags on this GitHub if you want. So I'm gonna copy this, copy until load in 4-bit, then paste there and just press enter. And this will load everything, so just wait for a bit. Okay, since I have listen enabled, so I'm gonna allow access to that, and there we go, running on local URL. So So if you go here, this is 000, and I think you cannot open this 00 hostname. Okay, yeah, you can't. So to change the 00 to just local host, there we go. And let me turn this off. Okay, actually I think I have this save. Chat generation. Oh yeah, okay, I have that. So you can just type in the local URL. And I forgot port is 760. Disable this, and here we have arrived here. So first thing first, we're gonna go into sessions, I guess. Check everything. We have API, listen, training. No, we don't need that. Models. This will load all the models that we have downloaded, but we don't have any now. This will be the place for everything. I'm just gonna load this character right here, shipped by Ooba. Click that, and that is not loading. Okay, it's loading. So yeah, it will load this, but we can't use this because we don't have any models. And I guess you can see everything here. This is the character. You can upload your own characters. And yeah, I'm gonna download a model. Want to find a model? Just type in the size. I want 7B. I want the variant to be the super hot 8K. And here we have models. So I'm gonna download the by the block. You can use instruction, which is, let's say you want to install Wizard Punya. That should open that. But I'm not gonna do that because I want to use the Pygmalion, because I'm using to chat here. Yeah, click that. Oops, I'm gonna click that, and here I'm gonna copy this, just press that and just paste it here. Paste that here, download, and there we go. It will downloading. So if you open here, it will download the progress, and I'll show you when it's finished. Okay, I made a mistake. Actually, we want to use the GPTQ variant. So GPTQ, here we go. Is the GGML. So should use this, the GPTQ. If you look at the files and versions, and there we go. This should be the file that we are going to download. So copy this here again, and just paste it there. Click download. Okay, there we go. This is the right download file. So I'll see you in a bit. So it's already finished downloading. You see here, done. And if we click the model list, this won't show because we need to refresh this. And select the GPTQ. Before we do that, if you accidentally download the GGML file, well, you need to delete that. So go into that Text Generation WebUI folder, go to the models folder, and here, as you can see, we don't want that, so we're gonna delete the GGMLs. If you want GGMLs though, you can download it, but there will be a different method for it. So this is the model that we downloaded before, and we're gonna go here, refresh that again, and I'm gonna click this. But make sure this is disabled so it doesn't automatically load. Alright, and select the xllama modifier. Model loader. So it says we want the HF, but I guess we're gonna go with the xllama. No, the normal xllama. So here this is 8K, so we're gonna change something first. So here we're gonna set the max sequence length to 8K. So 8K is 8192, I believe. So let's check that. So 8 times 10, 24. 8192, okay. And we're gonna go here. Oh yeah, compress pos EMB. Gonna divide this by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Well, why did I take that long? So yeah, set as to 4 and save settings so you don't need to load everything again, and then click load. You can view the progress here, and we should wait for the model to load. What the? Okay, so the model crashed, I guess. So I guess if that happened, just reload the Python server by. Oh yeah, okay, so apparently that didn't work, so I guess we're gonna try llama hf. Just load that. Okay, so okay, so as you can see, loaded the model in 18 seconds and successfully loaded. So if you open up Task Manager now, here you can see dedicated GPU memory 3.8 that has been used. So yeah, I'm gonna go here and you can just start chatting, but I'm gonna change something first or check something. So thing generation with the streamings, and yeah, sure, why not? Okay, gonna just type in here, show controls, yeah, sure, why not? And oh yeah, of course we can just change the chat style. So first we're gonna set the mode with go chat instruct, that will should put it here, I'm pretty sure, or instruct. Okay, we're just gonna leave it with chat. And if we go that, why is that not loading? Okay, if that doesn't load, just refresh the page, don't worry. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you're just gonna leave that. You can change the mode. You can go chat instruct or instruct. This chat instruct is like a simpler one, I guess. I mean, you can just experiment with everything, and you can just use also. Gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna just try a message. So let's say so this is an IT worker, I guess. Oh no, they changed it. Hello, I am excited to finally start. Yeah, let's just change that. Send that. And yeah, that should work on everything. If you open up the console again, let me move it to the right a bit, and that should start processing. So just wait for the text generation, and since I'm recording, so it's gonna take slower. So I guess I'm gonna stop the recording first. While the model is generated, I think I should change my name. So if you go into the parameters, I guess, so yeah, your name. So I'm gonna change my name here, just like that. And I could have uploaded an image, so I'm just gonna do that. There we go, I already uploaded my image, so yeah, that should change. And oh, there's already a message here, I guess. Okay, so let's just wait for a bit again. So I think I'm gonna restart the server. Just if you want to restart, just type Ctrl+C. If we redo that again, first let me remove that. Okay, so let me just clear the history. Okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. Confirm. Here we go, and let me resend it again. But this time I'm gonna try again with the xllama loader. Oops, let me select that. Oh, load. Let's retry that again using xllama. Okay, there we go. So apparently it's just some kind of bug right there. If you do encounter, just restart the server by running the command again. If you don't want to type in all of it again, which is obviously you don't want, just press the up arrow. Let me retry it again, generate, and I think that should be faster because this is actually using xllama, not the HF variant. So I'll see when it's done generating. Okay, so that's already generating. So while that's generating, since after the installation, oh, it's already finished. So yeah, before I continue, after installation, it will take a lot of storage. So grab some storage by going to the temp folder. Let me do temp right that. And as you can see, there's a lot of files. So I'm just gonna delete everything. While that's deleting, also you can go into the app data folder. So data percentage. Go up once, go to local, and then the folder, where is it? There you go, pip, looks like that, and just press Shift Delete to permanently delete that. And right here, this will show the progress. Just click that, click skip, and yeah, there we go. Just clear up some storage. So looks like the message already finished. So she says, so do you like most about technology? What's the trend for innovation you're into right now? If you look at the console, that took 196 seconds. That is pretty slow considering my PC is pretty much garbage at this point. But yeah, there you go. You have successfully installed Oobabooga. So again, if you want to download another model, let me show you how to install it. So rule of thumb, just select the size. I'm gonna go with 7B, and then the variant. So I did super hot 8K, and make sure this is GPTQ, not GGML. And there we go. Let's say you want to install Wizard Vicuña, or you can just find it here, pick a model, sure. But if you know some model, let's say you want to install Wizard Vicuña, which is an struct model, just type in Wizard Vicuña on the front, and there we go, Wizard Vicuña. Simply just click that, and you get to this page. Make sure this is, and to install this, copy this, go back to the WebUI model, then paste it. Just paste it there. And I'm not gonna do that because I don't really want an instruct model right now. And yeah, that's it for today, and I do hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna make another video to show you how to load other models. So for this video, I already told you how to load the super hot variant, which is the xllama loader. And you can see here there is a lot of other formats, but I'm not gonna cover it in this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next video.